Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. As we know that we had an active western disturbance bringing moisture into middle tropospheric levels from the Arabian Sea, and there was also an active east-west trough in the easterly winds from extending from Bihar to southwest MP. So under the influence of that trough in lower level and the trough in middle level, scattered to fairly widespread rainfall has occurred over Chhattisgarh, Vidarbha, East Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, and East Uttar Pradesh. Isolated hailstorm reports have also been received from different media channels that isolated hailstorm has been observed over East Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, and Jharkhand. Isolated heavy rainfall has also been observed over Odisha. The maximum rainfall 11 centimeter over Gadh and Sambalpur 7 centimeter, and over Chhattisgarh Kabir Dham and Raipur station 7 centimeter, and over Jharkhand Bokaro district 8 centimeter rainfall. So this western disturbance has been quite active, and it has brought quite a good rainfall activity as well as thunderstorm activity. And yesterday it had created scattered to fairly widespread rainfall over the western and northwestern parts of the country, and also over western Himalayan region. So now this western disturbance is lying as a trough near 76-degree longitude to the north of 26-degree latitude, and the yesterday's east-west trough is today running in north to south direction from a cyclonic circulation over East Uttar Pradesh and adjoining Bihar to Telangana across Vidarbha and East Madhya Pradesh. So under the influence of this trough and the this lower level trough and also the middle level trough, there is a likelihood of isolated hailstorm activity over Chhattisgarh, over Odisha, and also over Jharkhand during next 12 to 18 hours. And and also there is likelihood of isolated hailstorm activity over South Himalayan, West Bengal, and Sikkim also. And over this region, over Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal, and Sikkim, and over Assam and Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh. Now this western disturbance is going to affect over this region, and scattered to fairly widespread light to moderate rainfall is likely over this region during next 24 hours. After that, this western disturbance would move further eastwards, and the only area of influence would be over Assam and Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh. And after that, once this western disturbance moves away from the Indian region, it will have no impact over the Indian region. So the so over the since currently easterly winds are prevailing over the entire North Indian plains, and these winds are slightly likely to have started changing, and from tomorrow onwards these winds would become northerly and northwesterly. So under the influence of that, cold wave conditions are likely to emerge over plains of northwest India, over Punjab, Haryana, North Rajasthan, from the morning of tomorrow over Punjab, and from the morning of day after tomorrow, that is from 31st of December, over Punjab and North Rajasthan and Haryana. And this cold wave condition would be some stations may also experience less than 4 degree, less than 2 degree temperatures also over North Rajasthan and Punjab. In fact, already even today, some stations have reported less than 2 degrees centigrade temperatures over Punjab. So Severe cold wave conditions are likely over Punjab right from tomorrow morning, and over North Rajasthan. The severe cold wave conditions would emerge from the day after tomorrow morning, and they would continue up to 1st of January morning. And as a fresh feeble western disturbance is likely to affect western Himalayan region from 1st January onwards, so under the influence of that, the temperatures would slightly increase, and therefore over Punjab, Haryana, and North Rajasthan, the severity of cold wave would reduce to just cold wave conditions. So we have given just simple yellow color for on uh, 2nd December and 3rd December of morning for cold wave conditions. And as far as dense fog is concerned, so the dense fog belt would continue over. Would emerge from tomorrow morning over Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and over Odisha in isolated pockets, and this would continue for next 3 days. And as far as peninsular India is concerned, so from 30th of December, the rainfall activity is likely to increase over Tamil Nadu and adjoining parts of southern coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema, when scattered to fairly widespread light to moderate rainfall may occur over this Tamil Nadu and south coastal Andhra Pradesh and adjoining parts of Rayalaseema during 30th December to 1st of January 2022. Except this, a very intense western disturbance is likely to affect northwest India or western Himalayan region, as well as the plains of northwest India, and also the adjoining parts of central India, that is Madhya Pradesh, northern parts of Madhya Pradesh especially. So during this, uh, the western Himalayan region would be affected during the period of 4th to 7th of January 2022, and the plains of Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, and Delhi, West Uttar Pradesh, and North Rajasthan may receive during 5th to 7th of December, 5th to 7th of January 2022, scattered to fairly widespread light to moderate rainfall. And over this, Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit Baltistan, and Muzaffarabad, and Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand would receive during 5th to 6th of January fairly widespread rainfall as well as snowfall. And there is also possibility of heavy snowfall over the region of Jammu, Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, and Himachal Pradesh. And as far as adjoining parts of central India is concerned, so isolated to scattered light to moderate rainfall is also likely over Madhya Pradesh, over southern parts of Rajasthan, and also over Gujarat. So this active western disturbance, we are keeping under strict monitoring, and this is likely to affect during 4th of January to 7th of January over western Himalayan region and over the plains of northwest India, Punjab, Haryana, North Rajasthan, and West UP from 5th of January to 7th of January 2022. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will again meet with the daily weather briefing for weather warning during next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.